are discussing about orthographic views, lab number 9. Okay, layers and orthographic views we have done. Not done or not? So in lab 9, lab number 9, we were doing orthographic views. Orthographic views mean how to see 3D object in different views. That is actually orthographic views. Okay, so front view, top view, side view, and there are two methods of you can say of placing that views, and that are two methods are actually first angle projection and third angle. So first angle used in our region, Asia and India, like that, and third angle in Europe, like that. So only the difference between first angle and third angle projection was ये speaker off करें. Only the difference was only just the change of position of different views. You can see the first angle, the front view, top view, and side view. And side view we can take only one, right view or left view. So one view, one side view. So the position of those views are different in orthographic projection. So now in today's lesson, today's lecture, we want to convert that views. In last lecture, 3D is converted into views, orthographic views. Today we will convert orthographic views into, and that 3D actually, that is not actually 3D, because you can see here, this is the figure, and this is, you can see this is actually 3D, but this 3D is drawn into 2D plane. You see, this page is 2D. You can see this is 2D. The page is 2D. You can see it. This is not 3D. This object is 3D now. This PC is 3D. Everything is 3D. You can touch X, Y, and Z axis. But here, this 3D picture is 3D drawing is drawn into 2D. And this is called actually isometric drawing. Mean if you want to see the 3D object in 2D plane, that is called actually isometric drawing. So today we will convert orthographic views into isometric drawing. We want to see. You will be given in the end. For example, I will show you the task so that I want to. What's the difference between the previous and today's lab? For example, here you can see I have given you this object or this drawing. This is actually isometric projection, and you have last time you have drawn these views, front, side, and left. These are not properly first angle or third angle, but it should be like that. And similarly, this was isometric 3D, and isometric drawing 3D. We will not say 3D because this is actually in 2D. So we will say isometric. It means actually you want to see 3D and 2D plane. Okay. So this is isometric drawing, and you have drawn different views from the front view, side view, and top view here. So this was actually the task. Now in today's session totally opposite. For example, you can see that you will be given top view, front view, side view, and you will convert it into this isometric. This is what we want to draw. And similarly, different examples, you can see this one, top, front view, left, and you will convert this into this one. And top, front, left, and you see, you will convert in this. So actually today we will only draw this one, and here, from here, we will only draw this one, isometric. And similarly, different views are given. For example, this one. Today we'll draw this one, okay? This one. For example, I will draw this one. And similarly, you can draw as many as you can. Just practice it, okay? At your home also. And similarly like that. So this is the standard. You can see if you want to present this drawing to the industry, to the client. So how to present it? So you see here, this is the different views, and from isometric to orthographic views. And if arrow shows that you have converted isometric into orthographics. Otherwise, orthographic views into isometric is also okay. So anyone can tell me this is first angle or third angle? Which one is this one? First angle or third angle projection? Yes, this one. कौन सा है बताएं जरा. फर्स्ट एंगल है या थर्ड है? कोई बता दे आप. ये देखिए टॉप व्यू टॉप पे है. The front view is below the top and then there is a side view. And this side view is right side or left side view? Just tell me. The first question is, this side view is right side view or left side view? Left? Left कौन कौन कह रहा है? पक्का. अच्छा. नहीं नजर नजर नहीं आ रहा तो आप मैनुअल अपना खोल लें. ये देखें ये वाला है. ये खावर को मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ. वैसे मैंने वो अपलोडेड है वहाँ. ये खावर को शेयर कर दिया. However, you can share it to others. Just open it and page number is, you can see the page number is from here, scroll page 66, page 66. Okay, so you can see here. So this side view is right side or left? Right है. पक्की बात है. कौन कौन कह रहा है राइट है? अच्छा चलो ठीक. So now you will tell me this is first angle and third angle. Third angle. तो थर्ड एंगल का क्या मैंने क्या बताया था? थर्ड एंगल का आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. ये थर्ड एंगल ही है ना. और जिससे देना चाहिए पेज दे दें. पेज और पेंसिल. राइट साइड आप सबने बता दिए. यार पेज को नहीं आपके पास एक पेज दे दो यार. आपका रोल नंबर क्या है? 72. इन्होंने बताया ना बस. चले आगे चले. So here you can see different views. So you can practice it at your home. Okay. And one thing more, that is actually drawing on sheets. I am also sharing this to Khabar. Or yes, please share it to others. This is handwritten drawing. So you will also practice some. You see here the title is, our title is to describe the isometric drawings and sketch isometric projections from orthographic views using orthographic views, are directly from just 3D you want to draw is okay. Both is okay. And using drawing sheets and AutoCAD. So drawing sheets, you also have to, drawing sheets mean hand practice. Okay. So for hand practice, we will not waste much time on hand practice. Just only 2-3 drawings is enough. So that 2-3 drawings I have shared with Khabar. And you can see here, these are the drawings. So you can draw these. First orthographic views and then convert it into isometric. So in one page, both labs, last lab and 10, both will be covered. Orthographic views are there, then you will convert it into isometric. Another, you take isometric view and convert it into orthographics. So it's simple. And only, I think so, you can draw only 2 is okay. Okay. Orthographic, just take orthographic example. And first angle is okay. No need to third angle. Is first angle is okay. and just take 3 orthographic views and convert it into isometric. This is the today's lab, and take isometric example and convert it into, and try to take it from freelancing website. Okay, so try to take it from, for example, Fiverr. So try to take it from Fiverr, for example, Fiverr or Upwork, or third one is freelancer. For example, I will write AutoCAD. So you see in AutoCAD, these freelancing works are available. Itself is the keyword. Then there is a AutoCAD drawings. Then AutoCAD electrical, AutoCAD 3D, AutoCAD plan, AutoCAD 2D, AutoCAD 2D floor plan. So you can click one by one and you can see inside. Okay. So from these keywords, you will select. You will not just copy paste. You see, this is just for. You see, this is your seniors drawing. Okay. Maybe your 16 session student have drawn this one in the manual. Manual available if you want to see. It is in the office. Okay. But you will not take exactly the same. Those students who don't know anything, they can take this example. Is okay. They can directly draw this one. But those students who want to do something more, they just take orthography view from this freelance website. So you see in freelance website, many freelancers will they will show in their profiles different views. Okay. So for example, here you can see, for example, this is a little complex. You can take a simple example. Okay. So for example, this one. So now you will take this one, just save this copy like that. But if you want to save it, you see it will be saved as WEBP file. What is WEBP file? Anyone know? So WP, not JPG file. Huh? So no problem. You can copy it, copy and paint 3D, for example. New. You can paste it. Yeah. In 3D paint, it will not be, resolution will be not, you see, here is clear. So you can take in a paint and then now save it. Just save it, okay, as a JPG file or a PNG file, PNG or JPG, bitmap, GIF, different formats are available. So in this way, you take these right, top and sectional view, and you will convert it into 3D. This is 3D. This is actually 3D. We will do it in later in next sessions. But you in 3D, you will only convert it into only isometric, not 3D. Okay. So, and this is one example, for example. And then similarly, you can take from here. Okay. So only 2 is okay, and you will draw by hand. Okay, just by hand, just for practice. Okay. If you want to practice more, is okay, no problem. So today you will also use your Fiverr account and you will search keywords, AutoCAD drawing. And for example, I will say AutoCAD. Today we are doing isometric, AutoCAD isometric. There is no keyword, okay, but you can search it. This will be a automatic drawing, for example. So you can see here that this is also isometric. You see this one. Yeah, this is isometric. Okay, this view is. These are the isometric views. This one isometric view. Okay. And similarly, for example, these are all isometric views. So simple views you can take and you can draw. This one I also copy paste in my manual. Okay, so you will use the updated manual because I'm every time uh, I'm updating manual with some variations. Okay, so you have to download the updated manual, and updated manual will be the you can see here latest lab session 9, and you can see here this one download updated lab manual Word file. Okay, so you can download it from here. Okay, and this one is also see these are the orthographic views, and this is the isometric. Okay, or only if you take this example from freelancing website, one example is also enough. For example, because both labs are covered, lab 9 and lab 10 will be covered. This one is the orthographic view, lab 9 is covered, and this is the isometric view, lab 10 is covered. Okay, so you can only draw one by hand, just by hand, only practice. We don't want to waste time because by hand there's no worth. We want, if you want to do something freelance work, everything on AutoCAD. But in our lab session, TEC manual, there is handwriting is the agenda. So just that, for that we want to convert. Okay, we want to cover it and just take it and bring it next lab, Okay, so one example you will take from freelancing website, and like that. So this is the cover cover shared the file. This is just for reference. Don't take these simple examples. Okay, so take from the Fiverr or Upwork. So okay, now let's close it. So now we will start. Okay, so up to lab number 9, we were using the environment of AutoCAD. Just open the AutoCAD. We were using this environment. This was actually standard environment. You can say standard environment. Or you can say also, you can say 2D environment. And now we want to convert this environment into 3D or isometric. So how to convert it? Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will follow these steps. You can see here all the steps I have mentioned here. There are different options. For example, the first option to activate isometric view is this one. The steps are there. Start the AutoCAD and also set the grid unit and snap resolution at 0.5. So this you can set, otherwise no problem. And then enter the snap command. So in the command window, just write snap and press enter. You will see that there is an option in command window. One option is style. Style. Yes. Is there any style? Style mean S. Just write S and press enter. Now you will see there are two types of styles, standard and isometric. And up to lab 9, till previous labs, we were using the standard view. Today we'll start the isometric view. Okay. So isometric mean I. Just write I and press enter. I for isometric. I for isometric. ये पंखे ऑफ कर दें आप पंखे ऑफ करेंगे तो फिर एसी चलाने पड़ेंगे एसी चला दें ये ऑफ कर दें ये एसी चला दें पंखे ऑफ कर दें so snap and then press enter. Snap vertical spacing 0.5 by default is okay. Press enter. Now you will see the environment change or not. Whose environment change? Isometric. Again I will repeat again. Write snap 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 in command window. Then there is a style. there is an option style. You see, one option is style. So style mean S for style. Write S and press enter. Then again, the options are two, standard and isometric. And now you want to convert into isometric, write I and press enter. And then again, specify vertical spacing. Vertical spacing is 0.5 is okay. So no need to enter anything, just press enter. So you see the environment change. Whose environment not change? Done. Okay, done. Now isometric view is there. Now you can see here, I will show you in the manual. You can see here, you can see this figure. This figure. Can you see this one or not? This one. So you see, if there is a 3D object, one side is the top, other is the right and the left. Okay. So these are the three sides of the cube. Now, if you want to work on left side, and one thing more, you can see here that if you want to place this box along the horizontal line, you can see here this one is the 30-degree angle and this one is also 30-degree angle. And one thing, it means that one angle is 30-degree, the other angle is also 30-degree, but if you want to 30 from 180, you can say minus 30, but from 0 it is 150, you can say 150. Okay, so this 30 degree angle is from 0, you can count it counterclockwise. This is 30-degree, and this angle is also 30 from this 180, from the 180 minus 30, you can say 150-degree. And you can see here that the right side view is at the angle of 30-degree. You can see this line, if you want to draw this line will be at 30-degree. And if you want to draw this line on left side, this line, यार इधर से ओरिजिन से इधर को ड्रा करना है, कितनी होगी ये देखें, तो ये यहाँ से ये लाइन दैट इज 150-degree, फ्रॉम 0 रेफरेंस रखें ना तो 150-degree. ठीक है. अच्छा, इसी तरह the next one is from here to here, this line, you can see this one is 90-degree. So we will play only within three angles. One is 30-degree, one is 150-degree, and one is 90-degree. So we want to draw this cube. And the next one, the cursor position. You can see this cursor position, this green line, this is green line. You can see here, if you cannot see here, you can see the cursor position, your own cursor position. Okay. You see one is vertical, that is 90-degree. One is like this. It means what's the angle of this one? This is actually 150-degree. Okay, 150-degree. From just take the again we will change the cursor position. Press F5. You can change the cursor position. F5. यार गर्मी लगी जा रही है, पंखा गर्मी क्यों लग रही है? ओ भाईजान ये चला रहा है, ये वाला ये एसी नहीं चलाया, एसी साहब वो डोर बंद कर दे, डोर बंद कर देना, फिर एसी चलाएगा तो वो बंद कर देना. और ये भी बहुत बाहर वो कीचड़ हो जाएगा, बाहर ना कीचड़ हो जाएगा, ये एसी चलाएगा ना तो वो ये वाला. अच्छा, this one is the top view. You can see like this. Again, understand the right side view. You want to draw this right side view. Which angle you want to use? One is 30-degree, The other one is this right side view. Right side view mean this line and this line. The remaining are repeating. This line is same as this one and this line is same as this one. So it means this one 30-degree angle, this one is 90-degree angle. So right side view you can draw with the help of 90 and 30. So it means the cursor position should be like which one? This one, this one, or this one? Middle one. So just now change your cursor position for the right view. Function F5. Function F5. You see now my cursor position is. Now I can draw the right side view of the with this cursor position. 30-degree and 90 degrees, all 30-degree lines, 90-degree lines I can draw with this cursor position. Now again a left side view. For left side view, which angles we need? Very good, very good. 90-degree and 150-degree. So it means I have to change the cursor position. Function F5. You see now the cursor position is 150-degree. You can also say 150 mean minus 30 also okay, but we don't want to consider minus 30, okay? Only 150 is okay. So this is 150-degree and 90 degrees. 150 and 90 degrees. So this cursor position will draw the left side of the isometric drawing. Now again, the third one is top view. So top view, this line and this line. If this line you will draw, this line is same. If you will draw this line is same. So only this and this. This line is at the angle of 30 and 150. Very good. So it means change the cursor position F5. So you see now we can draw the top view of the isometric line. So every time you want to draw right side of the isometric, you will change the cursor position every time. Left, top, and for example, other thing. For example, I'm drawing right side view. I have done right side view is done. So the cursor position is like this one. Now I want to draw top view. Which line of the top view I can draw by using the cursor position of the right side view? I don't want to change the cursor position. Cursor position is right side. Okay. The cursor position is this right side view. Okay. Cursor position. Cursor position F5. You can see here this one. This one. This one right side. This one. This one. Okay. Cursor position. I want to draw the top view. Which line of the top view I can draw without using the cursor position? Very good. This line I can draw. I can draw this line. It means everything drawn like that in this angle. You can use also the right side. No problem. But when you want to draw this line, so you cannot draw with the right side view. Okay. Because we are drawing these lines. This line and this line is 90-degree ortho. So must keep it in mind that ortho must be on. This ortho must be on. Otherwise, there will be errors. Okay. You will draw, but maybe not at 90-degree. So something 89 degrees. So you will see there are gaps between the points. Connections are not properly connected. Two lines are not properly connected like that. So you will see your drawing is not okay. So always draw. Activate your ortho view. Ortho means 90-degree, because you can see here that right side view is all lines are 90-degree with each other. Top is 90-degree with each other. Left 90-degree with each other. Okay. So in this way you can draw. So now we'll start this box. First we'll draw this cube, and then we'll draw this figure. For example, I will draw this figure, and I will power will share to you all. So you can open this in your mobile also. Okay. So we want to draw this isometric. Only this isometric will draw from these views. Okay. So we'll draw. So, and also there are other options. For example, I will show you. For example, this was for example, you can write this snap in command window. This is first option. Okay. Another option, other options also available. For example, you want to draw, you can type DS in command window. DS in command window. Just write. I have mentioned all these things in my manual. Okay, so you can download DS. Just DS and press enter. DS and press enter. This window will appear, and the by default option will be snap and grid. Is okay. This means DS. DS means drafting settings. Drafting settings. So you can also use this window to change the drafting setting. So here you can see. Here you can see that snap and grid. There is one option, snap and grid, and polar tracking. We don't need. The third one is OSnap. OSnap. Object snap. Object snap. So object snap should be on. Every time should be on, so that you can see exactly what is the end point of the line, what is the midpoint of the line. When end point will come, the square will appear. When the midpoint will come, which sign will appear? When midpoint will come, which sign will appear if OSnap is on? Very good, very good, very good. So similarly, you can select all. Yes, select all. This is just additional. Now snap grid. In snap grid, you will see that we have already changed isometric snap. So you see isometric is checked. Now you click a rectangular snap, rectangular, and click OK. You see, we also now we have converted our isometric view to the previous view that was standard or rectangular view. Okay, done. Now you can again write DS in the command window and press enter, and again click isometric snap and click OK. You see, again we have our view is now isometric. Done. Yes, sir. Yes. Just go to DS. Just write DS in command window. DS means drafting setting. Drafting setting. You can see this is written on this window. And here the snap and grid. There is the option snap and grid. You can see in the snap and grid left bottom. There is the option snap type. Snap type. So this snap type is grid snap and polar snap. We are not using polar snap. We are using grid snap. And in grid snap, previously in the 9 labs, we have used rectangular snap, or you can say standard snap, or by default snap. And then today's onward, we are using today we are using isometric snap. Okay, so rectangular snap, click OK. So now the snap setting is changed. Now again DS, enter. Now click isometric snap. Now you can see the same isometric is done. So this is another option. Okay. And also the third option, that is just write ISO draft. ISO draft in command window. ISO draft. ISO draft. When you will write ISO draft, you see there is a isoplane left. First is orthographic. Click orthographic. Just click orthographic. So it means that rectangular view, standard view, orthographic views all are same name. So now again, maybe this option not available for in old AutoCAD version. Okay, not available. Not available. So okay, for only for newer versions, ISO draft, enter. Now orthographic view. Now click just isoplane left. Isometric view or isoplane view is same. Isoplane left. You see, you have also converted your standard view into isometric view, and also that isometric view is isometric left. Cursor is left. Left mean left side you can draw, and the angle will be two angles. Which two angles in left side isoplane? 90 and 150. Okay. And similarly, you can change. Now let's start. This is just the beginning. Okay, just introduction. Now we'll start to draw this cube first. This cube first we will draw. this cube first, okay? Okay, with any length, for example, 20 cube, okay? 20 length, 20. And also you can change the length, but today it's not our agenda. Otherwise, you can change the units, okay? If you want to change the units, what's the option? We already discussed this in last lectures. If we want to change the units, how we will change the units? Anyone can tell me, because this discussed in last lecture. How to use the चलिए ये देखिए यूनिट्स लिखते हैं यूनिट्स और यूएल लिखें या पूरा यूनिट्स लिखें एंटर यू सी दिस विंडो अपीयर एंड मार्क्स आल्सो अपीयर हियर जल्दी बताया कर रहे हैं यार आप अच्छा now you can see here there is a type decimal architectural engineering and here is the precision okay and here are the units inches like that by default is okay we don't want to change and other option is where is the other option of these units in this menu bar where is this option किधर है in tools there is no option of units not available format very good पीछे किसने बताया रोल नंबर क्या है 144 और आपका क्या है 188 188 So here in the format, you can see in the format, there is a units. You can also, and there was another option in you want to change the units using the command window. Very good. DWG units, enter. Very good. Roll number क्या 160. So here inches mean 1 and like that you can change, okay? Okay, done. Now we want to draw this one. So first we will draw right side view. So for right side view, we'll change the cursor position to right. Function F5. Now my cursor position is right. Okay, if I want to ये कर्सर को बड़ा करना है ताकि इधर नजर आए आपको कैसे करेंगे किसी को पता है कोई बताए I want to magnify the size of this cursor so that the last students can see it. Anyone know the settings? इसका AutoCAD से कोई लिंक नहीं है इसका कंप्यूटर के साथ लिंक है किसी को पता है और बताओ यार शिफ्ट सेटिंग्स कैसे करेंगे कंट्रोल पैनल में जाओ ऐसा करते हैं ताकि अंदर मैक्सिमम ये एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज एक सिस्टम होता है लार्ज और एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज ये मैक्सिमम यही है मैक्सिमम प्रीसेट होता है अगर इससे बड़ा करता हूँ ना तो वो लगता है अच्छा नहीं ये जो इसकी पोजीशन में चेंज करना चाह मतलब इसका जो ना ये नजर नहीं आता इसका बड़ा सारा कोई और इसकी वो यानी शेप है ना शेप चेंज करना शेप डाउनलोड करनी पड़ती है वैसे नहीं शेप है बस जैसे कोई और कौन सी है बड़ी नहीं है ये बाय डिफॉल्ट तो यही होती है बस ठीक है ओके थैंक यू मैं देखूंगा डाउनलोड की ना ठीक है बस बड़ी Again, size is, I think so, almost same. So we have to download, I think so, maybe. So now we'll draw right side view, okay? So this one. So we'll start from this origin, from the bottom, okay? From bottom, we'll draw this line of 20 units, okay? 20, this one. Then we'll draw this 21, 20, then this 20, then back 20, okay? In this way, we'll draw this right side. So let's start. Just go to line command, and click anywhere. Ortho must be on, okay? And click anywhere. For example, I will click here. And when you will click, only one click, second click, no, okay? Only first click. And now move your mouse. For example, you can see here, this mouse can move in this direction, that is 30 degree. And when you will change the position, just move your position in opposite direction, you see it can move 90 degree. And then this is 30 degree. This is actually 30 degree, and this is opposite of 30 degree. You can say 180 plus 30, that is 210 degree. But actually this is 30 degree line, okay? So this is 30 degree and 90 degree, and minus 90, you can say minus 90 or 270 degree, okay? So only you consider it 90 and 30, because always if you want to draw this line, if you will enter 30, it will draw, no problem. No need minus 30, okay? So AutoCAD will understand, okay? So 30 and 90. So you see cursor is only moving 30 and 90 degree, no other position. Ortho must be on. So let's start. Now you position your cursor towards 30 degree angle, 30 degree like this, position, and write on your keyboard. From your keyboard, just write 20 and press enter. You will see line is drawn. Line is drawn. Line is drawn. Drawn or not? Now you will just move your cursor vertically up, and again write 20 and press enter. Drawn. Okay. And now move your cursor back. Minus 30 mean only you will write 30. Just write no. Just write 20 because length. We want to mention the length only. The direction already mentioned with the help of mouse. Okay. Oh, sorry. So only I will write 20 drawn. Now downward I will write 20 drawn and press escape. You see, done. Right side view is done. Done or not? Done. Okay. So the right side view we have done. Who have done? Oh, farmer किधर है यार? Farmer किधर है? Done or not? Okay. The next one is left side view. For example, we want to draw this left side view. Now again we'll start from this bottom. From this bottom, we'll draw this line, this line, this line. We will just this line, this one, and this one back is okay. Huh? So again, go to here and just click the line command and then click the bottom point. And bottom point, when you will click the bottom point, you see that the O snap. If your O snap is on, you see square box will appear when you will move your cursor at the end point of the line or the bottom end point. You will see the square is appeared. This square is only because O snap is on, and not only O snap on, all the options in O snap also selected. Okay, so you have to select all. For example, how to select? Escape. You see O snap setting. Just write DS and press enter. You see here the snap and green. There is a object snap, O snap, and this O snap select all. Okay, it must be select all, so that extension, endpoint, midpoint, everything should be on. If you want to need selective options, you can check those selective options. For example, you need only endpoint and midpoint, so you can check endpoint and midpoint and center point, and remaining you can uncheck. Okay, so click OK. So now again go to line command. We want to draw the left side view. We want to draw this left side view. So we'll start from this bottom. This line 150 degree. At 150 degree, then this 90 degree, then 150 degree is okay. So go here and click line command and then click the bottom point. Clicked or not? Click. Now you will see mouse is not moving at 150 degree. Yeah, if you have changed is okay. Now press F5. Press F5. Now you see cursor can easily move here. Okay, this is the problem you will always face. So keep it in mind. If cursor is not moving in this direction, you can just press F5. Done or not? Now in this, just move your cursor here and just write 20 and press enter. And then vertically 20, press enter. Then here 20, you can write 20, press enter. You see left side view is drawn. Done or not? Now we want to draw the top view. And for top view, we are only left with this line and this line. So this line is 30 degree and this line is actually minus 30, or you can say this from here it is 150 and from here is minus 30, you can say. It is actually 150 degree line, okay? So you can see here that go to AutoCAD, click line, and you can see here that mouse is also again not moving in this direction. So it means you have to select the top view. You see, it is moving top or like this, but it is not moving in this direction. So F5. You see now it is top view, and top view, this direction cursor is easily moving and this direction cursor is easily moving. So in this direction, write 20 and press enter. And in this direction, write 20 and press enter. You see, box is ready. And this box is 20 cubic unit. Who have done this? Okay, very good. So now we will go directly. This is just the basic. Now we'll draw, for example, one drawing. This drawing we want to draw, and it is power, I think, so shared with all of you. Huh? This drawing, yeah. So you can understand that this top view, this is the top view and this is the top view, okay? And this is the front view like this one, and you see this is the front view. And here the side view, that is right side view, you can see this L shape, okay? Now we want to draw this shape, okay? So okay, let's start. Now copy this shape in your AutoCAD. Otherwise, you can open it in your mobile, okay? Just open in your mobile. Now you can see that I will just tell you the procedure first, okay? First, we want to draw the cube. The cube we have drawn before. Size बड़ा करूँ? Size full है. अच्छा हाँ. Size full है. Size बड़ा हो गया है. तो फिर क्या मसला है? क्या कह रही है? क्या कह रही है? कर्सर बड़ा हो गया? किसका कर्सर बड़ा हो गया? अच्छा हो गया, वेरी गुड. कैसे हुआ है? इधर सेटिंग में जाऊं? इधर जाऊं? किस पे राइट क्लिक करूं? अच्छा AutoCAD, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. AutoCAD पे राइट क्लिक किया, ऑप्शंस ऑप्शंस पे, वेरी गुड. आगे डिस्प्ले, यस डिस्प्ले, राइट साइड पे क्रॉस हेयर साइज, या ओ ग्रेट ग्रेट, या इसके 15 पॉइंट है, 15 पॉइंट. ठीक है, रोल नंबर क्या आपका? 84, 84 है. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. Yeah, great. Can I also change the thickness of this crosshair? Thickness, I mean, lines should be thick so that it should be visible. And also color, if I can change. Okay, so it is done. Okay. Yes, now we want to draw this. So first we will want to draw the cube. Now anyone tell me what will be the dimension of this cube? This cube of this drawing, okay? Just tell me. Complete cube, I mean cube. Can anyone tell me what will be the dimensions? Because this is the top view. Top view is here. So it means the maximum top view dimension will be what? Just tell me top view dimension. This by this. Complete. That's total बताएं, total. हाँ yes, ये हो जाएगा. Very good. ये पहला हो गया. दूसरा कौन सा होगा? The single dimension you cannot take from the top view. You can take from the side view. Because side view and top view have one common line, a common boundary. So side view can help you. कितना? कितना? 36 किसने कहा है? यार किसने कहा है? आपने कहा है. 36 कैसे आया? चले ये बता दें. कितना है? पूछा बोलो ना यार. कैसे, कितने, किसको ऐड किया? कैसे ऐड किया? कैसे किया है? क्या लिखा है? ऐड कैसे किया बता दो ना. 36 डायरेक्ट लिखा हुआ है. अच्छा अच्छा, ये लेकिन ये टॉप व्यू की डायमेंशन तो नहीं है. वो तो फिर आप लेफ्ट साइड व्यू की डायमेंशन जो देख रहे हैं उसकी एक लाइन की लेंथ आप कह सकते. 37 कैसे आया? कैसे 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 ऐड किया? अच्छा 37 ये ले रही हैं. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ये रमेशा हो गया. ठीक है, इसलिए आपने 37 कहा था. नहीं, वो 36 कह रहे थे. अच्छा चलें. So the top view dimension is 32 और 50. Very good. 37 and 50. 37 and 56. It means we will draw top view of the cube 36 by, and 36 will be 37, huh? 37. So 37 will be at 30-degree angle or which angle? First tell me these two, 37 by 56, right? 36 by 56, 37 by 56, 37 by 56, okay? So 37 dimension will be drawn at which angle? Huh? 30, yes. And 56? Very good. 30 and your top view, okay? So start, okay. So now move your cursor position F5, and move your cursor position top view. Top view is just cross, like this, cross 30-degree, like this 30-degree. Now go to line command, and then we want to start from here, from this point, okay? This point, this corner. From here, this is 36, 37. Then this line is 56, then 37, then 56. The top view will be okay, done, okay? From here, we'll start from here, okay? So, okay, let's start. Now we'll go to line command. No need of this, I will delete this one, okay? No need of this. So line command, and I will select any point, for example, this point, and ortho must be on, and in this side, this is 37. Done? Just write 37, it is done. Now in this side, it is 56. Enter. Here 37. In this side 56. Enter. You see, top view is done. Done or not? Done. Now we want to draw this side view, right side view. So now tell me the dimensions of right side view. What are the dimensions of right side view? Just tell me. Just tell me the dimension of right side view. 56 by 37. 56 by 36. This is the dimension of right side view. Is it okay or not? Okay, right side view dimensions are 36 by 56. Any other? Yes. Very good. पावर ने बता दिया सही. रोल नंबर क्या पावर? 52. समझ आई कितनी है? बचरा? कैसे पता चला? ये तो मसला है. ये रुमैसा बताएंगे कैसे पता चलेगा, पावर बताएंगे. हाँ, जस्ट आप देखें ये राइट साइड व्यू जो है ना, ये वाला, ये इसको पकड़ के प्लेस करें इधर. ये देखें, ये जो आपको एल शेप नजर आ रही है ना, इस तरह की उल्टी एल शेप, या बल्कि 7 कह लें इसको, 7. ये 7 डिजिट है ना, जस्ट 7 डिजिट. दिस 7 digit प्लेस दिस 7 digit फ्रॉम हियर. You see, this length will be this one, this 37, and this length 19.05 and 16.95 will be the complete this length. And this length is also the side of the left side view, and left side view is this one. And if you will place this left side view here, and this side of left side view here, directly it is 36. So from 36 directly you can take, or you can add 19.05 plus 16.95. This is also 36. Got it or not? Yes. So it means right side view dimension is 37 by 36. So it means we want to draw this side, which will be from top. From top we will start from here. From top, this side is ये साइड क्या है? इसकी लेंथ बताएं, ये वाली कंप्लीट लेंथ क्या होगी? इस साइड की एक की लेंथ बताएं. दिस इज अनदर क्वेश्चन. Just from, I want to start from this top, this corner, and I want to draw this line of the right side view. What is the dimension of this line? Only this line. This line. कितनी है? Yeah, ये 36 है. ठीक है, तो 36 ड्रा करेंगे और उसके बाद दूसरी 37 है। चले अब गो टू लाइन कमांड, click here and you see now mouse is not moving downward, so it means you have to change the position. So right side, we are drawing right side view, so function F5, so right side view. Okay, now I will move the cursor downward and I will write 36, 36. Now I will move in this position and I will write 37, enter. Now I will move upward and I will write 36 again. So it is done. Done or not? Now we want to draw the left side view, this one. Now tell me the dimension of left side view. 56 by 36, yes. That is 56 by 36. So from here, from this point, I will draw 56 and downward is 36. So now go to line command, click here. This 56 already done. 56 already done. Now I need only this one first. That is 36. Then I will draw this. Now I have to change. You see, this one is drawn with the already previous view, but this one not. So F5, function F5, so left side view. Now I will draw this one and I will move cursor here and I will write 56, enter. So done. Done or not? Done. Now we will place all the views here, okay? Okay, now we will draw this top view. Now I want to start from this point, Now tell me, I want to draw this side of the front view, okay, top view, okay? This side. You can see here that, if I want to draw this side, this complete line will be first this one, I will go this one, like this one. Then this line is actually this line. Then this line actually this line. And then this line is actually this line. And then this line is actually this line. So in this way, starting from this point, I can move like this here. So I will move from here like this, and this. Done? So first command, this is the top view. So cursor position will be top view, okay? So first point from here, starting from here, the first line having length is 16. Then I will draw this length. What is the length of this one? This length. I mean this length. Just tell me. This length is not available in the top view. You have to take help from other views to find this length. 20, 27. 13 किसने कहा है? दो बंदों ने कहा है, दो बंदों. रोल नंबर क्या होगा? 68. और एक बंदा उधर से भी कहा किसी ने. 13 किसने कहा है उधर से? नहीं, क्या कैसे मारे? उधर किसने कहा है उधर 13? चले नहीं देना से. So 16, then 13. This 13 you can see this view actually, okay? And from this view you see this side and this side is same. this side, and this side is same. So this side you can see from here, the length of this side view is 13. Here you can see it is 13. 37 is total length, and 24 minus, you can say 13. Got it? मेरे ख्याल में 13 नहीं है यार, एग्जैक्ट 13 ही है. ये आप देखें, ये 13 लाइन, द 13 लेंथ इज कहां तक है, ये जरा चेक करें. 11 कैसे पता चला? इलेवन कैसे पता चला आपको? $34 माइनस 24 माइनस 13, 24 minus 13. No, this is not logical, I think so. Yes. दोबारा. चले, अभी राइट साइड में अभी टॉप व्यू भी रहता था, ये तो अभी याद करवा दिया आपने. ये 9, ये भी तो रहता है ना हमारा टॉप व्यू में. दिस लाइन, वी नीड दिस लाइन, दिस लेंथ एंड दिस लाइन. First we'll draw this one, okay? Just go to top view first, again top view, okay? Because okay, first we'll draw 16. Yeah, this 9. कौन सी लाइन? ये डॉटेड लाइन है, ये 9 वाली. नहीं, ये जो मैंने कर अच्छा, आप क्या कह रही है? ये वाली लाइन, इसकी डायमेंशन ही तो चाहिए हमें. ये डायमेंशन किधर किधर से मिलेगी? ये वाली, हाँ, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक होगी, ऐसी है ना. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक नहीं होगी. वेरी गुड, ये पॉइंट है. चलो 13 वाला ने कह दिया, खैर है, लेकिन ये असल चीज ये है. लेकिन इसकी डायमेंशन कैसे निकालें हम? इसकी निकल आएगी इनडायरेक्टली, जरा ट्राई करें. असल में हमारी लेंथ यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक होनी चाहिए, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, ठीक है? क्योंकि ये देखें, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक लेंथ, जब इधर साइड व्यू से देखेंगे, साइड व्यू से ये जो लाइन है ना, ये वाली, ये जो अंदर है, ये हिडन लाइन नजर आएगी बाय. और इधर देखिए, उन्होंने हिडन लाइन ये लगाई है, एग्जैक्टली इस पे नहीं लगाई. तो हिडन लाइन, the hidden line not drawn exactly at this point. This point is 13 is okay, but the hidden line is a little before this line. So you can see this is the hidden line. This hidden line is actually this line at this point downward. Okay. So you see this hidden line is shown because from this view you cannot sight these lines. These lines are hidden. So this is actually hidden line. So distance is actually this distance or this distance will be this distance will be from this point to hidden line. Now tell me the distance. How to find? Power. If it is not given, then we'll use the approximation because we don't have the dimension. Okay. Maybe indirectly we can find. Maybe try just please. Yeah, we can find. Yeah. Indirectly we can find. How to find? 9 by कैसे निकाली इधर बता दे मुझे. इधर आगे हिंट दे दे. इधर इसके ऊपर ना दिखा. उधर बताया था उधर साइड से. ये कट होगी तो फिर आप नहीं ये कट 24.97 दिस लाइन. ओके
और 9 ये डायमेंशन की
9 ये क्यों नहीं. ये लाइन हमारी हो गई ये वाली ऐसे ही है ना. और ये इधर ये
9 होगी ये 24.97 ये मैंने बनाई है इसी तरह.
लेकिन मुझे तो ये लाइन चाहिए ना यार.
ये सती ये इधर से जो हिडन लाइन की शो कर रहा है ना
वो कैसे
इसके अंदर ये हिडन लाइन की वो 13 शो कर रहा है लेकिन उसने ना 13 शो किया यहाँ तक. ये हिडन लाइन के साथ जो इधर तक लाइन लगी वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है लेकिन उसने शो नहीं किया वो.
अच्छा फिर ये भी हो सकता है. 24 ये है और 37
24 और ये 13 जो है ना ये यहाँ तक है लेकिन वो हिडन लाइन तक उसको शो करना चाहिए था लेकिन उसने थोड़ा इधर तक शो कर दिया इस लाइन के रिस्पेक्ट.
अच्छा ये है ही 13 है ऐसे कहना चाह रहे हैं. बीच में जो गैप है वो छोड़ दिया उसने ऐसे ही.
यस सर.
अच्छा okay maybe this 13 line we'll try if it is true then so for example I would say that this 13 line is actually the drawing shows from this point to this hidden line actually the length is 13. Maybe because you see the arrows you can see the arrow, the end point of the arrows are near. You can see this arrow is near to the dotted line, so we can say maybe 13. But if it is not 13, it will prove wrong. We'll try. Okay. So from end point to dotted line is 13. Now we want to prove indirectly whether it is okay or not. So from the side view, you see from this side view, this left side view, and this length is 20.85. So it means this length, which is not here, this length, this is actually 20.85, this one. If this one is 20.85, I think so this one is same or not. This length and this length, I think so same or not, identical or not? Identical or not? है? बड़ी है. अच्छा वो बड़ी है तो फिर और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. इसका मतलब है कि दिस शुड बी 13 should be this line from this point to hidden line. Okay, this is actually should be the dimension, and I think so this will be. And if it will not be, then our drawing will be wrong, so we will be, then we will change it. Okay, so let's try from here to here. That is actually 13. Okay, 13. Okay, 13. So let's try 13. So from here, top view, just function F5, top view. Okay, from top view, just click the corner, and this length is, what is this length? 16. 16. Then what is this length? 13. Then again this one, what is this one? 24. Yes. Then this one again 13. Again 13. This one is again 13. ये क्या हो गया? दोबारा. Click here and 13. Now move into this. This is also 16. Okay, no need of this 16 because already line drawn. So okay, done. Okay. Repeat again. Yeah, again. We want to draw this one, this line. This one is 16. This one 16. Then this one is actually that 13, which we want to consider 13. Then this line is 24. This is 24. This is 24. It means this one is 24. And this is again same as this one. This is 13. And then this line is actually this 16. Okay? 16. This 16. So we want to repeat 16, then 13, 24. This is 24. Then again 13, then 16. So this is done. Done or not? जी नहीं 20 वो गलत हो गया होगा, दोबारा स्केप करके दोबारा कमांड दे ले, वो नहीं कोई इशू नहीं है। मैं दोबारा करता हूँ, ये देखें दोबारा करते हैं इसको, कंट्रोल जी, ये देखें जस्ट लाइन कमांड top view, just first top view, F5 top view, no it's okay, no line command here, this is 16, press enter, then move cursor in this position, write 13, enter, then move cursor in this position, write 24, enter, move cursor in this position, write 13, enter. So this you don't need this one, huh? You don't need this one because already drawn, okay? So escape, okay? Now you can delete this line, no need of this line. Yes. Now you want to trim this one, trim. If you want to delete this line, whole line will be deleted. But we don't want to delete whole line, huh? Yeah, like that. No. So we want to trim this section. So go to modify trim. Just click the trim button, trim option, and now click the right mouse button. Just right click. Now click the line which you want to trim. Left click. So it's trim. So and as many lines as you want to trim, with the help of trim, quickly you can trim everything. Done? Yeah. Go to trim line. Trim option. Modify, and there is a trim. Now right click, mouse right click. Okay. Last time we have used another other function of the trim command. Okay, but today we want to trim quickly. So first right click. Now trim option is ready. Which line you want to trim? Left click, left. Everything will be trimmed. फिर आपने लाइन सही नहीं, आपने ऑर्थो ऑन किया है या सारा कुछ ऑन है? देखिए अगेन देखें ट्रिम हुआ कि नहीं? हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? अच्छा नहीं हुआ, ठीक है। तो फिर क्या करें? नहीं हुआ तो पावर का भी नहीं हुआ, ट्रिम नहीं हुआ, बना भी ली, हो गया? कैसे हुआ है? किसे हुआ है? ट्रिम से कर दिया है? कैसे किया है? मॉडिफाई में ब्रेक से किया आपने? वो कैसे किया है? अच्छा हाँ, ब्रेक से भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी ठीक है, लेकिन ट्रिम ऑप्शन हमारा मोस्टली यूज होगा, तो ट्रिम को आज सीख लें। जस्ट लर्न ट्रिम कमांड बिकॉज maybe break will take time. Trim can quickly. One difference between break and trim is in break point you have to mention end points from where you want to start the break, then the end point of the break. But in the trim command, just click the line, it will be trimmed like that. So again I will repeat trim command. I will repeat. Okay. For example, this line is drawn. I want to trim. So how to trim? Just go to modify and click the trim option, and now right click just from the mouse, just one time click right like this, right from the mouse, right click is done. Now trim option is ready. Now you will use the mouse left button and click that option, any line which you want to trim, just left click on that line, it will be trimmed. Okay. अच्छा इसके अंदर ये भी देखें, ट्रिम के अंदर ना वही लाइन ट्रिम होगी जो कंप्लीट लाइन है। देखें फॉर एग्जांपल ये देखें, दिस लाइन वाज, यू कैन सी दिस लाइन, इसके अंदर ये लाइन कंप्लीट है, दिस वन इज द कंप्लीट लाइन, बट यू वांट टू ट्रिम द मिड पॉइंट, so now you will trim it. But for example, you want to trim this one, no need to trim this one, just delete this one. So trim option only apply part of the line, not the whole. If you want to delete the whole line, just click and delete. The trim option will not be applicable at that point. Okay. So trim option only available here. You want to only trim the mid part. So mid part you want to trim, or this part. Any one part you want to trim, yes, you can use the trim command. For example, modify trim right click. Now go to this line, left click. You can trim this part. You want to trim this one, left click this one. Now this option you see not done. Again, you can repeat the same procedure. Trim, right click. You see this is maybe yeah, this line maybe you see this is the whole line. You can delete it. Now you can trim it because now this line is here. You can go to modify, trim, right click, now left click. You can trim this one. So in this way you can trim the part of the line. So you see, you can see here that you can see here this line is actually now converted into 3 parts because this part is in this here and the intersection line is this one. So you can trim this part, and this part you can trim because this part is intersected with this line and this line. So you can trim this part, or this part because it is intersected with this line and this line. So you can trim this one. So in this way you can use the trim command. Okay. So this line no need, you can delete it. Now go to trim command and click the trim, right click and left click because I need to trim this only. So done. No, because the middle part I have trimmed. No, I cannot trim, I think so, this one, because I can delete this one. Just delete like this. No need to trim, because if I want to try the trim command, right click, it will not trim. Because no need to trim, because we are not trimming the trim is just the part of the line, not the whole line. Whole line just delete, select and delete. Done or not? Okay, next one. Next one is this line, this line. You see the top, this part. This part is actually this part. Yes. So I will start from this end, from this corner. Okay. From this corner, this length is 9, already given line. And the next one is very good. 24.97, 9 and 24.97. So it means click the line 9 and then here 9, enter 9. Now here 24.97, 20.97. Okay. And then again in this side 9. Okay. So it's done. Done or not? Read करें क्यों भाई? No, you can delete this line. No need of this line. Delete this one. ये देखें ना, खावर ने बना भी ली है. जबरदस्त. ठीक है. Very good, very good. Trim की command भी use की है.
Trim का ये सीन है ना कि यहाँ से वो दूसरी लाइन इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, जैसे ये दो और ये इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, इससे और इससे सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो फिर इन दोनों में से कोई एक हम डिलीट कर सकते हैं.
जबरदस्त. आप इधर ही बैठ जाइए, आपने क्या करना चाहिए? जो चेयर है, चेयर. चलिए उधर बैठ जाइए, उधर बैठ जाइए. चलिए उधर करवाएं, फिर उनको करवाएं जाके. ठीक. अच्छा खबर, जिसको हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं, मैं फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, इससे अगर आपने डिफरेंट तरीके से किया वो भी बता दीजिएगा, हम वो भी ऐड कर देंगे ताकि दो तरीकों से समझ. हाँ ठीक. अच्छा नेक्स्ट. जी जी. पावर का रोल 52 है. 52 है ना? 52 है ना आपका? 52 है ना? अच्छा चले नेक्स्ट. बन गई सारी, बन गई. दिखाएं जरा, उधर से दिखा रहे. वेरी गुड. आपका रोल नंबर क्या है? क्या बना? किसी और ने भी बना लिया अभी तक तो वो मुझे दिखा दे, बाकी मेरे साथ जाएं बस, कोई इशू नहीं. हम इकट्ठे जाएंगे स्लो स्लो. रिपीट कौन कह रहे हैं? कहाँ से रिपीट करनी है ये लाइन? यस. Now we want to draw this line. This line is actually, you can see the top view. This line we want to draw, and you see we want to start from this corner. From this corner, this length is 9, and this length is actually, you can see this length, this one, and this length is same as this one, this length of the side view, and this length you can see from here 24.97. 24.97. So it means that you can go line command here, and this line will draw 9 and then 24.97, then again 9. Done. Okay. So starting line you can delete because already repeating, overlapping. If line is overlapping, just delete it. Okay. This is done. No, yes, no need of hidden lines because we are using the isometric drawing, and in isometric drawing, no need to hidden lines. Hidden lines in orthographic views. And now we also need this line, this line, this line. So now I will draw the simple. I don't want to make it complex, simple. Okay. So you see here, if you see the complete view of the line, you see this line is also available. This line. There are many methods to draw this line, but I will draw simple, just one vertical line, okay, of any length, and then I will trim it, okay. So this is vertical line, simple. So I will go here and go to line command and click here, and vertically down. Vertically down, you need the top view, F5, 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 F5. No, it's okay. Now this is because downward mean this is the right side view or left side view. Okay, this is no, I'm using right side view is okay. Left side view also okay. Now move the cursor downward, and you can draw any length line of length. For example, you can click here with the help of mouse. No need to enter the length. Okay, just click here. For example, done. Now I want to trim this section because this section is not part of our drawing. Go to trim, right click. Now on this line, left click. So it is done. खावर ने कैसे किया है? खावर ये लाइन आपने ड्रा कैसे की थी? ये वाली ये नहीं की? नहीं, इधर से देख लें. ये देखें, ये लाइन, ये लाइन आपने कैसे ड्रा की है? कर्सर से बस वो मैंने भी ऐसे की है, वरना इसका और तरीका ये था कि यहाँ से
ये वाली भी और ये वाली भी, इसमें कुछ भी बनी नहीं है बस.
बस ठीक हो गया. ठीक
प्लेन स्विच करने पड़ते हैं, लेकिन उसके हिसाब से
इज ओके. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट वन इज this line is drawn. Now we want to cut this section. This section we want to cut, huh? Now we will draw first the left side view. Here the left side view, you can see here the left side view starting from the bottom left. You see this length is 11.05. Done. 11.05. This is 11.05. Now we are using the left side view. Okay, left side we are starting from left bottom 90 degree up. That length is 11.05. Then this line length, this length is 24.97. Then this length is 36 minus. So 36 minus 11.05 कितना आएगा? 20.05. क्या कमजोर है? 05 का इसका 95 आना चाहिए पॉइंट के बाद. 24.95. So 24.95. Okay. So I will draw this this length 11.05. 11.05. Okay. Go to line command. Left side view F5. Left side view. Okay. Click this line, and this one is 11.05 and enter. Okay. Done. Now this length is 24.97. 24.97. Enter. Done. Now the downward is again not downward, I think so. Yeah, upward is 24.95. Yeah, because 36 minus 11.05. 24.95. 24.95. Enter. So this is done because it is. You can see now. You have also have the proof that your drawing is okay because it meets the end point. So now this done. Now this length. We will start again left side view and we'll start bottom right from this point. Okay. And from here, this length is 20.85 already given 20.85. And what is this length? Very good. 80. So 16.95. ठीक है? 20.85 and 16.95. So I will start line from here. This length is 20.85, and the top length towards top is 16.95. Enter. Done. And then again you can see in this direction again 20.85. No. Yeah, 20.85. Yeah, 20.85. Enter. So this is done. हाँ, ये लेंथ जो है ना, ये देखें, ये जो लेंथ है ना, ये वाली या ये वाली, ये लेंथ आपको पता चल रही है कि ये लेंथ इधर साइड व्यू से हिडन लाइन नजर आएगी, ऐसी है ना। ये साइड व्यू से ये चीज, ये लेंथ जो नीचे को है, ये नजर नहीं आ रही ना। इधर जब साइड व्यू से देखेंगे तो डॉटेड लाइन हिडन लाइन होगी। हम आर्थो में देखें, आर्थो में ये हिडन लाइन नजर आ रही है। इसका मतलब ये जो हिडन लाइन है, ये एक्चुअली इधर है वो लाइन जो यहाँ से ये है। अब हिडन लाइन की लेंथ क्या होगी? हिडन लाइन की यहाँ कॉर्नर से जो यहाँ हिडन लाइन की लेंथ होगी वही सेम ये होगी। तो यहाँ से कॉर्नर से हिडन लाइन ये 13 दी हुई है नीचे, 13। सो वी हैव गिवन 13। ठीक है, डन। Now we want to. Now we need this section. You see this section. This section is not available. We want to cut this section. Okay. So we will. You can use any method, but I will use one method. Okay. So I want to cut this one. Okay. How to cut? Anyone tell me? I want to shift these two lines at this point. Shift and copy. I will use the copy command. I will shift these two lines here. I will select these two lines. I will go to modify, copy, and I will click this corner point. This is the base point. And I will copy it here. So these are copied. Done or not? Yes. Modify में just copy these two lines. You want to copy same like here. यहाँ से हमने इसको copy कर दिया, ठीक है? Copy करने के बाद just go to line command and इनको आप खुद भी डायरेक्ट भी मिला सकते हैं, या ये लाइन सेम लाइन ये है, ऐसे ही है ना, ये लाइन सेम होगी, इसको इसी को कॉपी कर लें। चले कॉपी कर लें, कॉपी भी कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से कॉपी करके इधर प्लेस कर दें, ये देखें सेम ही होगी। और इसी तरह इसी को कॉपी करके आप इसके बेस पॉइंट से यहाँ भी प्लेस कर दें, ये देखें, तो कॉपी कर दें, समझ रहे? और इस लाइन को कॉपी कर लें या वैसे भी मिला सकते हैं। मैं कॉपी इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि ताकि कोई एरर ना रहे। अब कंफर्म हो जाए, कॉपी, इस लाइन को कॉपी कर दें यहाँ, तो ये देखें एक क्यूब सा बना दिया हमने। सारी कॉपी जो हॉरिजॉन्टल थी, जो हाँ, अब ट्रिम कर लें। अब हम देखते हैं जो चीज नहीं चाहिए अब ट्रिम। सो अब आप देखें, आप यू सी हियर these two lines we need, remaining no need. So I will go here, this line we need, this line we need, this line we need. We don't need this line, so we want to trim it. Modify. First we will delete all lines. Those lines which we can delete, first we will delete it. Okay, trim in the end. Okay, for example, we don't need this line. Yes, delete it. Done. And we don't need this line. Delete it. Then yeah, we don't need this line, but this we want to trim, we will trim, okay? And then this line we don't need, but it will be trimmed because this we need. And remaining we will trim, I think, because this line we need, but this part no need. But this part we will trim because it cannot. So now we'll go modify trim, right click, no left click, no left click, no this we can delete, we can delete, this left click, no, not delete, okay? So escape and this you can delete. So this is done. You see, I think so it's same as this one. Done or not? No? क्या कह रहे? ऊंचा बोले ऊंचा.
इसके पास ये जब लाइन ड्रा कर देगा.
हाँ, यस, ये नहीं समझ आई. चले. Okay, I will repeat again this how to trim. Control Z like this. Yes, this is we have done. We are at this position, okay? Now we want to shift this section because we need, you can see here that this section is repeating here. You see this section, this length, this rectangle actually, this is actually the corner. This rectangle is same rectangle we see here. So we want to shift the sides of the rectangle here. How to shift it? One option is just select these two lines and select this base point and copy these two lines here. You will see this line which we need, it will be copied. And this line we don't need, we will delete it later, okay? So this line, if you want to shift this line here, how to shift it? Any other option? I think so, no. I have no option right now. I want to shift this line parallel to this line. So here situation is, if I want to shift this line parallel to this line, but here you can see there is no reference, no reference point. How to shift this line? How much unit? Something like that. One reference I have, if I will connect, if I will select this line as well, now I can copy it. This reference I already available here. So now I can copy these two lines. The reference is this corner. This corner is actually the same as this one. So I can shift these two lines with this base point. I can copy it here. Now this line will be at same location. This line will be the same location and will be the parallel to this line. Okay. So now I will go here and I will select this one and I will go to copy. And the base point will be this one. And I will copy it here. Done? Done or not? अच्छा, ये हो गया. अब इसके बाद बाकी देखें, बाकी लाइन लगानी है आपने. अच्छा, बाकी लगाने से पहले मैं डिलीट कर दूं ताकि आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये डिलीट कर दी. ठीक है. अब देखें जरा करीब शक्ल बन रही है. ये लाइन चाहिए, इससे आगे ट्रिम करनी है. दिस लाइन वी डोंट नीड. So I will trim it first so that we can simplify the process. Trim, right click, and I will trim it. You see, this line we have drawn parallel to this line, which we need here. This line. This is done. Now we want to draw this line. So this line is simple. You can also use the line command, just line command and just connect this one is okay. This is also the other option. This is done. You see, this is done. Now this line we don't need. The part of this line we don't need. You see, from here to upward we don't need this line. So we'll trim it. So we'll trim it, modify, trim, right click, and I will trim it. It is trimmed. You see, now it is trimmed. Now I also don't need this line and this line. These two also don't need. So this line I also again trim because, and this line also again trim because I need only want to delete this portion and this portion. Go to trim, right click and trim this one and trim this one. So done. But I think so, one line, this line we need. So just connect with the help of this line, this corner. from this corner to this corner. So this is another way to draw the line. Done or not? Done? No, this is done. Now, yeah, this line I will draw this side, I already drawn, but now Control Z I have. So this is 20.85 and this line length is 16.95. 20.85. Not same. So 20.85. I will take from here 20.85. The top line is this one. This one is 16.95. 16.95. And this is 20 point again. This is again 20.85. 85. This is done, okay? Now extra line you can delete. Now we want to draw the right side view. Left side view is done. Yes? Now right side view. Just move the cursor position F5. F5 again. This is right side view, okay? Now in the right side view, you can see here, I want to draw this line. And this line and this line, I mean, this point is common. This point is common. It means I can start from here. I can start from here in this way. And this point is same as the end point of this left side view, okay? From here I will start. I mean, I can start from this point in this way. Now, what is the length of this one? What is the length of this one? कितनी है? ये लेंथ कितनी है ये? This length 24 किसने कहा है? Very good. आपका रोल नंबर है जी 84 है ना? So ये 24 है, ये 24 है सिंपल. और नीचे वाली लेंथ कितनी है? नीचे को जा रही वो 16.95 सेम है. So 20 and 24 or yeah, length command here, this one is 24 and this one is, oh sorry, this one is 24 and the bottom one is 16.95 enter. So this is done. Length I have, you see this one is बाकी लाइन बची है वो 13 है, तो फिर हिडन लाइन इससे कम होनी चाहिए. ये 13 है, वो कितनी लेंथ की है? ये भी 13, ये कैसे होगा? ये 13 नहीं है, ये देखें, यही कंफर्म करना है. ये देखें, ये लेंथ, दिस लेंथ and this length is not same. This length a little bit smaller than this length. ये कैसे प्रूव होगा? You can see here side view में देखें, ये length, this length is actually this complete length and shown right side view में देखें तो ये लाइन था आपको, ये जो लेंथ है ना, इसके ये जो एंड पॉइंट है इस लेंथ का, जो नीचे को है लाइन, वो इधर हिडन लाइन नजर आएगी. तो हिडन लाइन आप देखें, हिडन लाइन जो है वो इस मेन लाइन से थोड़ा सा पहले एंड हो गई है. इसमें हिडन लाइन की लेंथ 13 नहीं होगी. 13 लेंथ अभी प्रूव हो गया कि 13 लेंथ, जब हमने इधर से 24 शुरू किया ना, 24 इधर से जब हमने 24 लिया है तो बाकी जो लेंथ बची है वो 13 बची है. तो 13 का मतलब है कि फिर वो हिडन लाइन इससे थोड़ी सी छोटी है. वो अब कैसे निकालेंगे जरा देखें, ट्राई करें जरा. निकलती है क्या? खबर आप भी ट्राई करें, आपको भी थोड़ा ये
जाके 13 यूज कर देते हैं।
हाँ फिर अज्यूम ही करनी पड़ेगी, यही है। नहीं अज्यूम करनी है तो फिर इसको थोड़ा सा वो लेंथ हमें थोड़ी छोटी करनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है।
सारी बनी
ये कितनी है, ये लेंथ कितनी बनाई आपने ये भाई?
सर ये सर वैसे ही ये सारे 13
और ये
सारे 13 की
सारे 30। चलिए बस ठीक है, बैठे अभी बैठे। ये डायमेंशन को भी आपको सेट करना है, अभी लाइन नहीं है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ठीक है।
ये तो वैसे अभी वैसे उनको करवा रहा हूँ ना, तो
हाँ बस ठीक है ठीक है ठीक। तो ये लेंथ 13 नहीं है, ऐसी है ना, 13 से थोड़ी सी कम है। कितनी कम है? ये 9 है। ये देखिए इसकी अप्रोक्सीमेशन कैसे करेंगे, अप्रोक्सीमेशन भी तो हमने करनी है ना। ये राइट साइड व्यू से देखें, राइट साइड व्यू में 2 dotted lines are there. One dotted line is actually 9 length, 9, which is given in the front view, top view. You see this length is actually, you can see here, this one is shown from the right side view, is it is shown in dotted line, you see. So this is actually 9. If this is 9 and 9 ये हो गई और 37 टोटल है, ऐसी है ना। और ये देखें, अगर ये 9 है तो इसके अपोजिट जो डॉट लाइन है तकरीबन उसके साथ इक्वल नहीं है, इक्वल से थोड़ी सी कम है मेरे ख्याल, ऐसी है ना। और ये वाली ज्यादा है और ये 9 कम है, 9। और ये इसको अगर हम 13 ये टोटल है, तो इसमें से हम जो है वो नाइन से थोड़ी ज्यादा है, ऐसी है ना। हम फिर अप्रोक्सीमेशन करते हैं, 9 से ज्यादा है ये तो पता है ना, 10 कर देते हैं, ऐसी है ना। 13 से कम है इसमें तो चले जी, इसको हमने कन्वर्ट करना है। अब ये 30 हम 9 से कम, 13 से कम और 9 से ज्यादा 11 लेते हैं, ठीक है। मिड पॉइंट 11 ही बनता है तकरीबन, 11 ले लेते हैं, ठीक है। अब 11 चेंज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? अब फर्स्ट हमें चेंज करना है, 11 है तो 11 करने के लिए आप जो है कि क्या करेंगे? हाँ, अब इसी को मॉडिफाई करने का तरीका देखें। इसको हमने करना है 11, पहले 13 थी, तो आप जस्ट यू विल ड्रा द लाइन 11, लेंथ ऑफ 11, जस्ट फ्रॉम हियर top view, just take the top view, F5 top view. This length will be 11. So for example 11, enter. And what is this length? This length was 24. This again 11. Okay, enter. So done. Now remaining you can delete, the remaining lines you can delete. The lines you can delete, and also you can trim these lines. You can also the trim extra line, okay? Right click and left click here. So now this length is 11. It should be a little bit smaller than 13. अच्छा अब आप देखें ये सेक्शन बनाना है हमने जिस तरह ये रिपीट किया ना this section you see this part is you can see this part is the hollow surface not the part of the block so here the same situation is there इसको हम कैसे करेंगे ये देखें ये भी हमने इसको डिलीट करना है ये पार्ट हमारा नहीं है अब आप देखें कि ये जो ऑप्शन है these lines are the same as these lines so we can shift these two lines here इस लाइन को और इस लाइन को यानी फॉर एग्जांपल हम इस लाइन को और इस लाइन को बल्कि लाइन शिफ्ट करें ना ये वाली ये शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं ऐसे ही ना दिस लाइन वी कैन शिफ्ट हियर एंड इट विल बी पैरेलल टू दिस लाइन ओके and similarly this line we will shift here and it will be parallel here okay so one by one just click here and copy and place this line here done or not now you can trim the remaining part because we don't need the line beyond this point we don't need this line so we can trim it so we can go to modify trim and right click and trim this line and remaining you can delete this one this part you can delete okay done or not yes now this part is done this part similarly this line we need this line and this line is parallel to this line so it means I will go here I will select this line and I will copy it and I will move this line towards this point and extra line I will trim so because I need this line I need only till this point and the remaining I will trim okay so I will go modify trim right click and I will trim this one and remaining I can delete just so this one is done now you can see I think so now we only delete this line and this line so you can see we want to delete this part of the line trim and similarly part of this line so it means we have to use the trim command right click left and this so done so this is done so the figure is done ready now figure is isometric drawing is ready now and also you can color it for example you can color it just to show that different hatch where is hatch command hatch is in draw hatch command and you can use the pattern yani I mean you can use the hatch type as solid just use the hatch type as solid okay and you can create the layers because layers we have done last time layers yes no you will also repeat the same layers process here okay these are the lines mean you can say these are the lines layer this is the line layer then a dimension layer then hatch layer 3 layers we will create okay go to layer properties and create the first layer create new layer this is lines okay then I will create the hatch layer hatch hatch layer and again I will create the dimension layer because I want to dimension this figure okay so these 3 layers I will create the process of layers we have already done in the last section okay now I will change the colors lines color I will change for example I will change the lines color to yellow for example yellow okay and hatches color for example I will hatch it I think so hatch we will use the different hatches for right left and like that maybe hatches right I will use the different color hatch left hatch left left, I will use the different color so that it should be visible. And then hatches top. Okay. So I will use different colors for right. I will use the color, for example, pink. Pink I will use. Hatches left, for example, I will use cyan. Hatches top, I will use, for example, orange. And dimension color I will use, for example, dimension color, for example, okay, green is okay. Green, for example, okay. So these layers are done. No, because these this drawing we have done in 0 layer, not in the layer of lines. Okay, so we want to convert this drawing into our layer named lines. Okay, so how to convert it? Just select this whole drawing. Just select this whole drawing and scroll down. Just here, scroll down and click the lines layer. You will see lines are also changed to yellow. Now this whole drawing is shifted to the new layer, which our own layer. We have created that layer, and the name of that layer is lines. Now these are whole drawing is shifted to that layer. Now if I want to change the color of this drawing, I will just change the color of the lines layer. So whole color will be changed. Okay, done. Now I want to use the hatch left, for example, hatch left. I will select the layer first. Now I will hatch this left side. I will go to draw hatch, and in the hatch type is it should be solid, not pattern, solid. And then I will click this right side and close this hatch. You see the same layer color will be replicated here. Now, for example, I want to hatch the right side. So hatch right, go to draw hatch and click this one, close this hatch. So this is done. Now I want to hatch the top, draw hatch top, draw and change the ellipse, hatch and top, complete. So you see, this is done. Done or not? Very good. किसने कर लिया ये वाला काम? Very good. अच्छा, now we will dimension it, okay? So we want to dimension it. Go to dimension. Power आपने ये देखना है, dimension आपने वो align भी करनी है, ठीक है? अच्छा, dimension जो भी side करनी है. For example, you want to dimension the top side. So the cursor position will be isometric plane should be top. If you want to dimension this, first click the layer dimension layer. Click the layer dimension. Now you will do everything in dimension. So for example, go to dimension and align and click this, for example, this part, and dimension it. Done. Now you see, first you will see that dimension layer green, so dimension is in green, okay? But you see the dimension size is very small. So we want to change the size. So we already done this one. How to do this one? Just tell. कहाँ जाएंगे डायमेंशन भाई, कहाँ से जाएंगे? डिम टाइप करें, यहाँ डायमेंशन में जाके ये देखिए डायमेंशन स्टाइल में चले जाए. ये या दूसरा क्या था बोला? कमांड में जाके कैसे लिखेंगे? डिम लिखेंगे, डिम स्टाइल. वेरी गुड. ये लेकर डिम स्टाइल लिख लो. अच्छा, मॉडिफाई करें, यहाँ मॉडिफाई जाके, अच्छा अपना डायमेंशन स्टाइल भी आप ले सकते हैं, न्यू क्रिएट कर लें. मॉडिफाई में जाके आप करें, इसमें क्या करेंगे? अच्छा, एक तरीका तो मैंने पहले बताया था, उसको नहीं मैं करता क्योंकि एरो साइज, लेट अस से वी हैव टू चेंज एरो साइज एंड so just go to fit and use the scale. This scale you can use 5 scale, for example 5, not 1. Just okay, done. You see the 5 size is changed, but still is smaller. So I will change again. For example, go to dimension style, modify, and I will fit. I will say 20 times. You will adjust accordingly. Okay, 20. I will 20. No, I think so. More feasible. More visible. 16. Or I a little bit smaller because I want to adjust this dimension within the extension line. So for example, I will say 15. Okay. $20 is okay. 20. So this is done. Yeah. In this dimension, you see the decimal places, 4 decimal places, precision. Delete this precision problem. Dimension is not placed within the extension lines. So we will go to dimension style and modify, and there is an option you can see. Where is the precision? Anyone tell me? किधर है? Very good, very good. ये primary units में रोल नंबर क्या आपका? 4 है ना? Very good. So इसमें देखें ये प्राइमरी के अंदर ये प्रिसीजन आप इसको जीरो कर दें, ठीक है? We don't need, I think so, we don't need precision, huh? No, we need up to 2 decimal place. You see, 19.05 dimension is available, so up to 2 decimal we need. Okay, so we will say dimension is precision is 0.00. Okay, okay, done. But still, I think so. Okay. Now I will dimension again, align dimension, and I will dimension this part. I will dimension this part. Okay. This is 28. I think so. This was 28. This was 28. 9 and 36. 9 and 36. 36. No. This one. This one. Yeah. This one is actually 37. 37 minus 9. 37 minus 9. 38. 28. Yeah. 28. So this is 28 is okay. I think so. Now dimension aligned. For example, you want to dimension this part. And also you want to dimension this part. You want to dimension this part. And also you want to dimension अच्छा आप देखें ये डायमेंशन जो है ना वो आइसोमेट्रिक प्लेन में नहीं है फॉर एग्जांपल अब मुझे आप ये बताएं ये जो 28 है डायमेंशन 28 इट शुड बी इन विच आइसोमेट्रिक प्लेन ये बिल्कुल उसके साथ होनी चाहिए ना ऐसे वो कितना बनेगा एंगल कौन सा होगा यही तो बताना है 150 होगा ठीक है 30 नहीं होगा दोनों में क्या है 80 भी लग जाते हैं तो ये देखें चले फावर इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे फावर? एक तो ये ना आइसोमेट्रिक प्लेन आप लेफ्ट पहले ऑन कर ले, उससे आप डायमेंशन आइसोमेट्रिक लेफ्ट वाली सारी लगा लें। एक तो ये तरीका है, लेकिन मैंने पहले लगा चुका हूँ। अब मैंने इसको कन्वर्ट करनी है कैसे करूँगा? ऐसा क्या करेंगे? पेज कैसे चेंज करेंगे? मैंने डायमेंशन सेलेक्ट की फॉर एग्जांपल,
कलर बताना है कैसे बनता है।
कलर वो लेयर्स का कलर, अच्छा हैच कलर, अच्छा हैच कलर, हैच जस्ट go to draw and click the hatch and then the hatch type should be solid and this color I didn't color select from this one, I just create the layers, you see मैंने लेयर क्रिएट कर ली थी यहाँ और उस हैच लेफ्ट का कलर ही मैंने वो रख लिया था वहाँ। फिर अब मुझे चेंज करने की जरूरत है, बस जहाँ ड्रा जाऊंगा, ड्रा में जाके हैच में जाऊंगा और हैच में जाके मैं सॉलिड करूंगा ना, जब ड्रा में हैच एस्केप पहले ड्रा में हैच, जब मैं इधर जाऊंगा सॉलिड में और जब जो ही साइड क्लिक करूंगा, चूंकि मैंने वो ऊपर से लेयर सेलेक्ट की होगी तो वो कलर वही हो जाएगा जो लेयर का कलर हो। फिर क्लोज कर दूंगा। ठीक करेंगे यार, इसको बताएं। कैसे करेंगे जरा, डायमेंशन को आइसोमेट्रिक प्लेन में करके दिखाएं जरा। जी हाँ, मैंने इधर किया था, मुझे खुद भूल गया ये इधर
नहीं, इसमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आ रहा मेरे पास।
नहीं आता है, आता है
वो बस ये
अभी
पता
मैंने
चला
किया
कि
मैंने।
अगर लीनियर लगाते हैं ना तो फिर उसमें वो थोड़ा सा
नहीं
नहीं
होता।
होगी।
ये लाइन हो रही है आपकी?
मैं अलाइन करूँगा।
नहीं, आप पहले डायमेंशन करें फिर अलाइन करें बाद में, फिर ये देखें होता कैसे है। वो तो हो ही जाएगी लाइन। पहले आप आइसोमेट्रिक प्लेन, जस्ट यू विल फर्स्ट सेलेक्ट द आइसोमेट्रिक प्लेन and then you will dimension it, it will already will align. But if you have mistakenly dimension first and then you want to align, this is my question actually. ये देखिए अभी अलाइन करेंगे हम, ये
पहले लीनियर कर दिया, उसको दोबारा अलाइन करना।
ये देखिए अभी अलाइन करेगा ये। कंटिन्यू, कहीं आगे मैंने किया है ना यार, ये देखिए अब करेगा यहाँ, मुझे लगता है इसको। ये देखिए अब मैं अलाइन करने लगा हूँ इधर से, देखना कैसे। ये देखिए अब कोई बताएगा। ये देखिए अभी मैंने की है ना, कैसे की है ये लाइन। ये देखिए अभी लाइन की है, कैसे किया है। ISO क्या किया है, I 150। oh yes 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 yes, got the part, yes yes got the part।
मतलब लीनियर को अलाइन में कन्वर्ट।
या ये देखिए अलाइन में कैसे करना है आपने, ये देखिए जस्ट सेलेक्ट दिस डायमेंशन, select this dimension and yeah. EDIT added dimension added. You will go to dimension command DIM EDIT dimension added, and I will write this in my manual because I will again forget, because we will mention it in here so that every time we don't need to note this. I will write the note here. This is the red note. How to align dimensions. Use DIM dimension EDIT added in command window. And then enter the angle. Enter. ठीक है, ये आपने करना है लाजम. चले जी, अब मैं dimension added. Yes, there is an option of oblique. This oblique option also available in dimensions. In dimension, you will see there is an oblique option. You can see here, this is a oblique option, oblique. This is what we want to use, okay? So this option, I will trim it because every time we don't want to forget it. So I will, this one I want to use, okay? I will write this one in this manual. No, you will download today's manual because this will be updated, okay? Like this. This here. So you can use directly from dimension. You can use the oblique option, or you can say DIM added, dimension added. Okay, both options are available. So now I will go here. I will click the oblique option. Okay. Now it will say enter oblique angle. This oblique angle, for example, this dimension 28 degree. This is at 150 degree angle. Okay, 28 degree, and also you can see 28 degree and 28 this length, and this 13 length, these are at same angle. Okay, so I will select obliquing angle 150 degree. I will select and enter. Now I will select these two dimensions, this dimension, and because I already select this dimension, you see it is already aligned. Okay, now I want to align this one, this dimension. Okay, how to align this dimension? Again, go to oblique, select this object, press enter. Now obliquing angle 150, press enter. You see it is aligned. Done or not? Now I want to oblique this one, 24.95 and 11.05. This is also at 150 degree. Okay, 150 degree. So it means go to dimension, oblique, select these two dimensions, this and this one, both. And press enter and write 150. You see these two dimensions are aligned. Done or not? Now I want to align this 16 dimension, this dimension. This is at this side. You can see I want to align this side. This is 30 degree. Yeah? This one 30 degree, and this one 35.15. This is also 30 degree. And Only these two, okay? So I will use oblique, I will select this one, and this one. And I will press enter, I will write 30 and press enter. You see, these are aligned. And now this 36 is actually in this way, that is 30 degree. This is also 30 degree, okay? So dimension oblique, this 36, enter 30 degree. You see, it is also aligned. No, everything aligned. No, this is dimensions are proper. प्लेस कर दी, एक रिप्लेस कर दी. इनको इक्वल स्पेसिंग के लिए मैंने लास्ट टाइम एक कमांड बताई थी, वो मुझे बताया, कौन बताएगा? मतलब डायमेंशन जो है ना, देखें ये 16 डायमेंशन ये थोड़ी ज्यादा है, ये 11 डायमेंशन इधर से इसकी लेंथ ये थोड़ी और ज्यादा कर दी है, समझ रहे? इन सबको एक ही वो एक ऑप्शन था हमने यूज किया, विच ऑप्शन वाज दैट? कोई बता सकता है कौन सा था वो? डायमेंशन स्पेस का नहीं था मेरे ख्याल में. Enter the value. For example, I will enter 1, 2. Oh yeah, this is wrong. So one by one you have to mention, okay? For example, dimension space, I will select this one, I will enter, for example, 2. Okay, I think so in 3D, maybe dimension space, because it says F1 for help, it means this command not applicable. And you can manually do it. For example, here you can see, you can manually change it to this position, like this one, okay? And this one, you can also move this one. You can also move this one exactly where you want, okay? Where you want, you can move it, okay? Like this, you can move it here. You can move this dimension here. And similarly, you can adjust your dimensions accordingly, okay? ये तो किसी से नहीं की, ये तो मैं वैसे ही कर रहा हूँ माउस से ही. ये देखें माउस से कर रहा हूँ बस. ये देखें माउस से एडजस्ट हो रही. इस तरीके से you can, ये थोड़ा सा करीब कर. So the drawing is done, okay? So this was our one mistake we have done throughout the lecture. What was that? One mistake we have done throughout the lecture. What was that mistake? Hint दे दिया फिर तो आपको समझ आ जाएगी. We have spent our precious 2 hours to draw this drawing. समझ आई किसी को? अब आगे आ जाएगी. So if it will be lost, then what will we do? Very good. ये समझ आ गई, अब सबको समझ आ गई. तो सेव की कमांड से हमने पहले हर दफा सेव करना है. टिकरॉन में क्या आपका क्या है? और उनका भी लग गया, ठीक है? तो सेव आपने हर दफा करना है. कंट्रोल एस करें, ये देखें मेरी सेव ही नहीं है अभी, ये बंद होता तो खत्म हो जाता है. So in the start you have to save it, okay? Every time no control S, so that every time no it's saved. Okay. So similarly for your case, because every time maybe your computer is off, everything gone. Okay. So this is the problem you are facing for the last few. So I think so now it's done. Now the time is over. Time is over. Now I will check only your drawings, only this drawing. Otherwise, the task was this. These are the different drawings. You can see if you can draw. You can. Task one was this one. From this, you want to draw the isometric view. आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू बना के दिखा दे पेज पे, बस रैंडम सा, थोड़ा सा रफ सा, ठीक है। ये ऑड वाले करेंगे, इवन वाले जो है टास्क 2 करेंगे। ये व्यूज है, इन व्यूज को देख के आप इधर बना दे, ठीक है। ऑप्शन है, क्यों एक्सपर्टिंग बंदा है, अगर इसके पास टाइम है तो टास्क जल्दी मेरे चेक कर। इसके भी ये देखिए 3 है, इसकी आइसोमेट्रिक ड्राइंग आप पेज पे बना दे, रफ सी बना दे, मुझे आइडिया हो जाए कि आपकी कैसी है। बाकी ऑटोकैड पे आप खुद
सर ये इंटरनेट का मसला है मेरी